questions based on the stack topic. Now let's discuss first question. Write the definition of a member function push. In the question, function name is specified in Python to add a new book in a dynamic stack of books. That means stack name is specified, which is books, and we have to add these two information in this books stack. Let's start doing it because in the previous video we already discussed that stack is also a list, but we are storing the information in the in this we are storing the information in the vertical order instead of horizontal order as we are doing in the list. In this there are two information that we have to add into the stack. First is the book number and another is the book name. And we know that when we are taking the number type of entry, normally we are using the int function, and when we are taking the character type entry, we are using normal input function. And in the previous video we discussed that thing when we have to add the multiple entry into the list. For that we can use the append function. We discussed also why we are not using the extend function here, because and the append function why we are using. This is the answer of this question. In the exam, if they will ask that you have to call the function, then you can write this much thing. That's all. If you want to see whether the information has been added in your stack list also, then you can execute the code also, and you can see whether the things information has been added into this or not. Enter book number. I can add anything, and after that it has not shown us anything that you can add a for loop also. It will show you how many entries you want to store in that list. Suppose if I am entering 3 in 3 information, then you can, after, why it has shown the blank list, because I have executed the stack before the function. That is why, because in the starting the stack is empty, and we have to call this stack after calling the push function, so that whatsoever we are doing the entry, it will add into the stack also. Now we can see, suppose this is book number, this is the another name of the book, says third, and this you can see in the append function we can add the entry. In this way you can check the things, but normally in the exam they are not asking you to call the function. You just have to write this much definition for the question. Now I am making this code in the commented form so that we can execute another question for that. Now let's move to the next question. In this question, the function is in Python to perform push operation in a dynamically allocated stack considering the following information. In this question, the stack name is not specified, then you can give any name to your stack. You can add anything, just specify the function name that as it is. We can, because in that question we have to add two values, which is x and y. We are assuming in the both the variables are of integer type, and then we can add enter x value, enter y value, or you can add anything. And because there are two variables, more than one variable, then we have to put in the square brackets. Calling is same. This is the calling of this function, and you can directly call this, and in this way we can also add the value. Book's name, that is my mistake, because here we have used the stack name is S. I think this much is clear to you. We can execute the other entry also, execute the code also. I am just making it little bit lower so that we can see. That is my mistake. Enter value 1. Here I am 1 2 2 3 3. you can see.